Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Popo Backyard Farm. I am about to fill my hummingbird feeders. Now Clay has some hummingbird food already made up that he's going to add for me. But if you need to make some, I'm going to give you the recipe. It's 2 cups of water and a half a cup of sugar. You bring the water to a boil, you add the sugar, make sure it's in there mixed up good. Then you add the red food coloring. Now, after you fill them, or before you fill them, make sure that that water is cool so that it's not too hot for the hummingbirds. And once they find them, you will have hummingbirds all the time. And many times they'll return year after year. And the more feeders you put up, the more hummingbirds that you will get. And it's pretty cool. I enjoy looking at the hummingbirds. I also want to share with you today a Bible verse, which is Genesis 1:1. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. He created all kinds of beautiful things. Look at there. There's little birds over there he created. And if you're wondering what was made first, the chicken or the egg, well, he created the chicken with the egg in itself. Everything had the fruit in itself so that it could reproduce right away. But there's no question in the Bible about any other theories about how the world was made. It just tells you simply, in the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. It was a plan. He made just the right amount of air so you could breathe and have that oxygen. He made the food so you could have the right food. He made the right kind of animals to eat. Everything he made, he gave you the right kind of hands so your hands could move, your legs could walk. Everything was a plan so that we would live. He didn't make the sun so hot that it would burn you to the death. Everything was a divine plan from God. So Genesis 1:1, in the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth.